learn to fix another very common mistake that people make. There are certain words that have vowels which are not pronounced at all, and the syllable disappears. Let me show you. When we say the word basic, it has two syllables. If we add A-L-L-Y, we don't say basically. This A disappears. So the A is not pronounced, and we say basically. Take a look at this one. Actual. 3 syllables. Actual. But if we add the ly, like here, this disappears, and we say actually. Actually. We don't say actually. There are some more words like that. Practical. Practical. We don't say practically. We drop the A and we say practically. Physical. How would we say that? Physically, not physically. Let's do a few more words. Accident. When we add accidentally, we don't pronounce the A, we say accidentally. Accidentally. One more. General. When we add the ly, we say generally. Generally, not generally. Let's look at a few more words where these strange disappearing syllables occur. In this case, the E is dropped. We don't say vegetable. A lot of my students say vegetable or vegetable. This E disappears, and this A is reduced because it's part of the unstressed syllable, and we say vegetable. Vegetable. Let's look at a few more. Most people don't say interesting. They say interesting. Interesting. This TR are connected. Interesting. Look at this one. We don't say different. We say different. The E disappears. Different. Here are a couple of words with the letter O that a lot of people get wrong. We don't say chocolate. We say chocolate. And remember, don't say chocolate. It's chocolate. I'd like some chocolate. And this next word is very difficult for a lot of people. My students regularly ask me how to pronounce it because they know they're saying something wrong when they compare their pronunciation to the pronunciation of a native speaker. Let me show you how to do it. We don't say comfortable. This is what happens. The O disappears, but then there's one more very strange thing that happens, and that's the RT becomes a TR. They change positions. Listen. Comfortable. 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 I'm very comfortable. Most Americans pronounce it like that. All right, now let's take a look at a list of words. Each one of these words contains one vowel, one syllable, which is not pronounced. Look at these words and repeat after me. Aspirin. Don't say aspirin, say aspirin. Evening. Evening. Family. Family. Beverage. Beverage. Naturally. Naturally. Catholic. Catholic. Miserable. Miserable. Favorite. Favorite. Extraordinary. Don't say extraordinary, say extraordinary. Preference. preference, temperature, temperature, broccoli. Don't say broccoli, say broccoli. Diamond, diamond. Laboratory. Don't say laboratory, say laboratory. Several, several. Opera, opera. Camera, camera. All right, let's practice some sentences. I'd like a chocolate beverage. I'd like a chocolate beverage. Let's go to a different restaurant. Let's go to a different restaurant. Every evening, she takes an aspirin. Every evening, she takes an aspirin. Basically, they're different. Basically, they're different. I went to an extraordinary opera last night. I went to an extraordinary opera last night. I actually like broccoli. I actually like broccoli. Fortunately, there aren't too many of these types of words, but the ones that I've listed, try to memorize them and make a habit of using them correctly.